In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Klarna Card to Apple Wallet. So first what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Klarna application. So open up Klarna and log into your Klarna account. So now, firstly, you need to create your Klarna card if you haven't done so. So you need to create your card so that you can add it. So to create the card, you can just go to your wallet section here. And if you go to your wallet section, so what we can do, you can click on your Klarna card. And then what you can do is you can choose a store where do you want to use this Klarna card. So for example, I'll just put EB Games, and here you go to choose how do you want to pay this. So if you want to use a virtual card, you can just choose like in-store. Okay, so click on in-store, and then here what we're going to do, you're going to go and click on create a one-time card. Okay, so if you click on that, oh sorry, one second, if I go back here. All right, so here what you're going to do is you're going to click on create a one-time card, and then you're going to set your budget and clear the card. And then as mentioned here, you can see you can add it to your Apple Pay and pay with Apple Pay. So what you're going to do is click on create a one-time card, set the amount. For example, if you want to send it, or like set it for $20, that's your budget. Type in 20 and then click on continue. And then when you click on continue here, so here what happens, Klarna will generate the card for you. So this is your payment plan for Klarna and everything. And what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on agree and create card. So it's going to charge you for your first monthly installment of your Klarna. So it's going to charge you that, and it will create a card. So and if you click on agree and create card, it will create the virtual card for you. And then underneath you will see option where it says add to Apple Pay. Like similarly how you add your other bank cards, you will see the same options or same screen there, where you can simply tap on add to Apple Wallet and then add it to your Apple Wallet. It's the same process. Alternatively, if you already have created the card, you can also go to your Apple Wallet here, open up your Apple Wallet, tap on the plus icon there, and then select debit card or credit card, and then hit on continue. Okay, and then hit on continue. You can either scan the card or enter your card details manually once you've generated it. So you can also do that, or you can just add it through the app itself once you've generated the card. And that's basically pretty much it is.